Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and let's start our today's drawing. First, we will draw a curved line in this way, V shape here, a small V here and then line here. Grasses. Here I will draw the leaves of the tree like this. Okay. Simple, in a very simple way you have to draw. You have to draw like clouds. Okay, like this. I will draw some more here. Just want to make it big. Now from here I'll draw a curved line like this, and from this side also down, down, down. I'll join it. Here I'll make waterfall. Okay. After that, just I'll draw some small vertical lines this way, so that the water is falling from up. And from here I'm going to draw mountain like this and like this. Okay, I'll extend this side till here and I will add some birds. Now our drawing is ready. Let's color. So here our drawing is ready. Children, if you want more videos like this, then like, share and subscribe my channel. And also you can suggest me what to draw for the next video in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.